another item here on my desk, which it's some kind of they call it a Whaka pack, and it's apparently a balloon. So I don't know, it doesn't seem to have, even though it's got Christmas colors, it doesn't seem to have anything to do with Christmas. Maybe. I guess we'll open this, find a way to open it, and see if we'll open there, 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 there. I guess we'll have to try something different. So I don't see anything here saying where to open it, but I don't even know if this is going to do it. I don't think that's going to, there it is. Okay. Okay, so here we are. If this is something, and feels like there's something inside there. It looks like something that you hang up, and I guess it is Christmassy. It looks Christmassy to me. And there's something right in here that I don't know what that's all about. There's nothing in these other three quadrants, but there's something right here, a round kind of squishable thing. So I don't, and it doesn't look like this should be opened any further.
It says smack it.
It says smack it?
Mm-hmm.
You like that?
Try it. Be careful with the knife.
We'll put their knife over there so it doesn't go flying, and we'll see what we can do. Seems like it's getting cold. Ice cold. I think this is going to blow up into be a Christmas tree ornament, maybe. Because it feels like it's definitely filling up with air. This is a Christmas ornament, a do-it-yourself Christmas ornament. The Christmassy hats and colors, and now I don't know if this is going to keep going. I hope it does. And it's got the hole in the top, and I just happen to have some Christmas tree hooks here, a whole bunch of them. I just happen to have a Christmas tree, and we'll see if we can't, if this thing is going to keep going. We can hook it up, and you can see from the side that it's going. I don't know if I had to hit it harder or more times or what, but it still feels cold, and way down in the bottom it's really cold. And so this is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. I would wish that it would get a little bit bigger, but I don't know what does it say on the package there.
Self-inflating balloon ornament. Whaka pack. Balloon.
Well, there it is. That's why they call it Whaka pack. You got to whack it. I maybe should have whacked it with a hammer or something.
It's got citric acid and sodium bicarbonate.
So I don't know if this is it. If that's the most it's gonna do, or if you turn it upside down, if it helps, or I don't know.
I think that's it.
That's it?
That's the best you're getting out of it.
Well, I guess is what it is. Might have something to do with how you whack it, but it's Christmassy. We'll put it on the tree. Let's see. We can maybe take this one off and put that over there, and not topple the tree. And then we'll put this one in the front. Everybody can see it. This one's nice and light too, so you can put it on the end of the branch. So there it is. Christmas tree ornaments. That's probably not the most expensive Christmas tree ornament available. So it might be a saving money thing as well. That's kind of cool. Whaka pack?
Whaka pack.
Whaka pack. So Whaka pack till next time.